As you can see, we got the kitten back. It's really scared even if I put it this way. Come back. Yeah. No, 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 no. This way. Hey, where are you going? Now take care of the kitten. Come back. They found it. Hassan, I'm making a video. As you can see, the kitten. Kitten is right here. With some weirdo sitting next to me. Yeah. Bye, guys.